Hi everyone, I'm Hemant. I'm a senior at the University of South Florida. Starting college is exciting. Get off to a good start by packing right. This doesn't mean taking everything from your room. It means taking stuff that you actually need and leaving the rest home. When you move into your new room, you'll probably have a bed, dresser, desk, and chair. That's about it. While the school provides a desk, it's your job to fill it with supplies. USF recommends pens and pencils, a highlighter, a notepad, a sticky note, a calendar, a flash drive, a calculator, and a computer. You'll eat in your room at some point. The basic kitchen essentials USF recommends include snacks, bowls and plates, eating utensils, cups, microwavable cookware, and a reusable water bottle. Play sports. A lot of colleges allow you to rent equipment. Check to see what your college offers and bring any equipment that's not available. This goes for any other hobbies you might enjoy, such as art, music, and gaming. Remember your laundry, cleaning, and bathroom supplies. This includes a laundry basket, laundry soap, dish soap, and sponge. You'll want to keep your shower items organized and easy to find. This not only includes your favorite shampoo, soap, and conditioner, but also includes your shower caddy, your shower shoes, and a towel. There are a few things you might not have thought of. Remember to bring the correct size sheets, usually twin XL. You'll also want to pack your backpack, sunglasses, an umbrella, your prescription medicines, a flashlight with batteries, and a small first aid kit. Now is a good time to talk about the things you don't want to bring to college. First off, leave any knives, firearms, or any other sorts of weapons at home. Nearly all colleges have strict policies against them. At USF, we have a dedicated police force to keep you safe. Other items to leave home include illegal drugs and drug paraphernalia. Also, don't bring anything that might pose a fire hazard, such as fireworks, candles, incense, space heaters, and hot plates. Alright, it's time for me to get to class. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around campus. Go Bulls! You can find a complete list of items USF recommends on our admissions blog.